Yeah, time to cook a motherfucking pizza. St. Louis style, breakfast style pizza. We gonna do this shit right. Here we go. First you get the fucking bacon. Then you cook that shit up. Put a top over that bitch. Like you don't give a fuck. First you cook the damn bacon. Put a cook the bacon up. Cook the bacon up. Cook the bacon, cook the bacon, cook the bacon up. Flip over. Flip over. Woo! St. Louis style breakfast pizza. We in the trap kitchen cooking this shit. Cook that shit down. Get it nice and crispy and shit, you know what I'm saying? Drain that grease and shit. Woo! 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 Alright, now we finna cook the motherfucking sausage. This is Bob Evans spicy sausage. Woo! Chop that shit up. Chop it up. Chop it up. Cause that shit cook faster when you chop it up. Chop it up. Chop it up. Put motherfucking top over that shit so you don't get grease and shit everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Come back, check on your shit. All you trying to do is cook it, brown it, you know what I'm talking about? Chop that shit up. We want little bitty ass slices and shit. Woo! Alright, now, hit it with some onion powder or something, you know what I'm saying? Season your shit. Season your meat. More flavor, people. Motherfucking onion in there. Shit. Stir that shit on around. Woo! Woo! Alright, what else we gonna do? Clean your shit. Start over. Put some butter in that skillet. Let it melt down. Stir your butter all around. Hit it with some milk. You finna cook some eggs. Woo! Gonna scramble these eggs, you know what I'm talking about? Scramble it up real good. Ain't no runny eggs on no goddamn pizza. Woo! Yeah. Alright. Now, clean your skillet, start over again. We're gonna make the gravy. I'm making the gravy right here. This is some country style white gravy. Seasoned country style white gravy. I season my gravy. Don't just be making no plain ass gravy. Your pizza gonna taste plain and shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Alright. So now, there go your motherfucking sausage and your egg. Your motherfucking gravy. Your cheese. Provel cheese, not provolone cheese. Provel. You only find this shit in St. Louis. Shit look good, don't it? See how I crumble that shit up like that? Yeah, I did that. Alright. This is a pizza maker. You probably ain't got one of these. So, I don't know. I ain't got no goddamn link or nothing. Shit, it was a gift. So, just Google pizza maker and shit probably pop up. Anyway. Put the gravy on. Spread that shit around. Put the gravy on. Spread that shit around. Alright. Now let it rotate. Get your meat and shit together. Sprinkle that shit on there like that. Yeah. You ain't gotta get all cute with it. Just sprinkle the shit on there. Make sure you fill it in. Don't leave no empty spots and all that shit. Now throw your egg on there. Throw that egg on there. Throw that egg on there. Uh, Make sure you fill your shit in. I like a nice hearty ass pizza. I don't like no skimpy ass toppings and all that shit. Put that shit on there. Now put your bacon on there. See how I crumbled it up like that? Try to get that thick bacon. I don't like that old skinny ass little shit bacon ass. Get that thick cup bacon and cook that shit. Alright, now throw your cheese on there. Like I said, Provel cheese, pretty much only found in St. Louis. This is Emo's brand. Throw that shit on there. Throw some cheese on it. Throw some cheese on it. I ain't cheap with the cheese either. You see, I put the whole damn thing on there. Quit being cheap and shit. Alright, we almost finished. So I'm just gonna let it cook now. It's going through, it's cooking. See how it's getting brown and shit and melting? Yeah, just like that. And there you have it. St. Louis style breakfast pizza. See how brown my edges is and shit? Now cut that shit in squares. And you done. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that motherfucking notification button. Hit like. Share this bitch. I'm out.